I'm Monica and I represent the TAPME Systems Group, which is the area committee of IT and analytics of TAPME. So we are here to reduce the gap between the students and the industry, like getting the students know what really happening in the IT and analytics domain. We do this by various initiatives we've taken, like the newsletter we publish every month, wherein we publish articles about the latest happenings in the industry. We take one topic, which is the trending in the industry, and publish articles about it, so the students are up to date about the happenings of the industry. We also have workshops going on throughout the year where we enable students to get a hands-on experience on these tools like RStudio, Tableau or Power BI, which are the currently used tools in the industry for data analytics. So these workshops are being conducted by the committee members, like we deliver workshops to 100+ students, wherein the students get to experience the tools hands-on. We also are planning the IT Analytics Conclave this year for the first time, so in January the coming year. So we are planning to bring in guests from the industry who will, help students clarify their doubts, or help them get closer to the happenings in the industry. We also have initiatives like supporting the IT infrastructure team of TAPME, wherein we give them the support, like help them resolve issues, or we act as a bridge between the IT infrastructure team and the students. So this is the events done by TAPME Systems Group throughout the year. What it personally gave me is the learning and understanding of the industry happenings. Like if you take a newsletter, if we take up a particular topic like demonetization, you have to do a thorough research about the topic before publishing the newsletter. So by the time you come up with the final copy, you have a great understanding and great perspectives around the particular topic. So the students would be enriched with the experience of what is currently trending in the industry, and the understanding would improve greatly. Also, through the Analytics Conclave, we are planning to conduct various competitions, like wherein students can use various statistical methods and tools to come up with their own case studies and solutions, which they will be presenting to the industry experts. Even it increases the exposure of the analytics area of TAPME to the industry experts. So this is one way of telling how TAPME excels in IT and analytics domain. Overall, the experience with the committee is great because you get to interact with various teams across the campus, like interacting with the IT infrastructure team, the faculty, the logistics committee, or various other committees. Even peer learning is great because the juniors give you new ideas, the seniors keep guiding you throughout, or your peers help you develop the committee to be a strong one. Even when you have team members who are so tech savvy that they try to make popcorn out of microwaves from the mobile phone, you understand the level of innovation we have here at TAPME.